I give a Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you recipes and ideas and things that you can make at home. First thing, you need to have some ice in your blender, your Ninja blender, whatever kind of blender you're using at home. Put some ice in it. We're gonna make a ripe banana smoothie again. Alright guys, I know I'm gonna make them, but you know, we don't have leftover stuff, you need to do things with it. So basically what we're going to do is to remove the skin. I have some double ripe banana right here, as you can see, a little bit of sparks, blacks on it, but it's fine, it's good to go. So I'm gonna pop them straight inside of my blender with the ice. And that's exactly what I'm doing at the moment. So very easy smoothie drink, and I know you guys will definitely make this one at home. Break up your ripe banana. I got 2 fingers of ripe banana so far inside of it, so hopefully it will come out the way I want it to come out. I might just put another one inside of it to make it 3 ripe banana, so it's gonna become out lovely and nice. I know for sure, because these are a drink I normally make all the time for myself. So you know, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna just pop a little bit of honey inside of it like this. We don't waste nothing, we always have things. And then we're going to put some, I got some whole milk. I'm gonna pop some whole milk inside of it just like this. So basically it will come out the way I want it to come out, lovely and nice. Alright guys, then next what you're going to do is cover it. It won't take long to blend. If you have a good blender, that's it, perfect. If you have a good blender at home, it won't take long to blend, guys. Honestly, it's gonna be so easy and simple to make the drink at home. Alright, the most important thing is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please leave your comments below. It is very important. And as we see with everything what I'm gonna do, and I make it natural, real, authentic, guys. That's the guys can see exactly what's taking place, or I do it at home. So if you're at home, you buy too much ripe banana, you might have said, what should I do with the rest? You can do so many things with the rest of the ripe banana we left over. You can make banana fritters, and then so you can make smoothie. You can, you know what I mean, do something with it. Don't put it in the bin and say, oh, if I did know. We're not gonna do that today. This is what we're going to do today. Very it, simple and easy. You know what I mean? Sometimes we buy so much things sometimes, and we ask to ourselves, oh, what should I do with this, what should I do with that? Look how easy, guys. And all I'm gonna do is just this: natural ripe banana and milk and ice smoothie. That's it. And all I'm gonna do is pour it straight inside of my blender in my glass like this. Really smoothie and nice. Come on, so lovely. Look at that, frothy and nice, guys. So you know what I mean, so all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pop a nice lovely thick piece of orange on it, you know, bringing a lovely flavor to it also. Cause you know, yeah, get my straw, and also if I have any little bit of fresh mint or any little bit of thing left back over, you can also. Not only that, guys, I love natural stuff, guys. And you know what I mean, if you're at home and you feel like, oh yeah, you don't have any mint or anything, you have some fresh coriander or fresh parsley, you can also simple just put a little bit of thing on it, make it look really nice and presentive on the glass or anything you want to make it, guys. So it's just amazing to know that you can do things at home, come out lovely and nice and tasteable. So enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We have a lot of recipes, we have a lot of ideas, and a lot of bits and tips and ideas and things that you can make at home. So don't stress yourself and wonder, what should I do with the leftover stuff? Do not put it in the bin. You can do something with it. Thank you so much. Cheers, and I will see you next time. And Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. And the most important thing is to subscribe, clicking the bell to get a lot of notification from Chef Ricardo. When we are in the kitchen, we do our best for the fans. We love you all, and stay tuned. See you next time.